test kitchen. I have a trick for you to bring home for the holidays this year to show your family. We're gonna make a very easy herbed homemade bread. Super easy, but very impressive. People are always like, oh my goodness, you make your own bread. So thank you to Sutter Home for sending us some more wine. Never have enough wine at the holidays. And so I've got, it's a very simple recipe, but I've got 3 cups of flour, 1 3/4 teaspoons of salt. This is half a teaspoon of active dry yeast. And now I've got a variety of chopped herbs. I've got some thyme and some rosemary, kind of a rough chop. How much of that you add is up to you. We like our bread pretty herby, so we put a bunch in there, but you can do less, you can do more, it's up to you. And then once you have all your dry ingredients in there, you add 1.5 cups of room temperature water. It's very important that it's room temperature. So room temperature water, and then you mix it around with a wooden spoon. And then you cover it. And then what happens, Blair? Tell them.
Well, you're gonna make sure it's really well incorporated with the wooden spoon, and then you're gonna cover it with plastic wrap and let it sit for 12 to 18 hours.
Aha.
It'll look like when it's all mixed up, and you don't have to touch it with your hands or anything.
So it's been 18 hours, my dough is ready to rock. I've preheated my oven to 450 degrees with my Dutch oven inside. I took it out, and now I'm gonna sprinkle some flour around on the bottom of my Dutch oven, and then I'm gonna sprinkle a little flour on top of my dough.
Yeah, just so you know, this is how the dough will rise.
Yeah.
And so that's what the yeast does.
Put a little flour on my hands, and now I'm gonna get my hands in here, I'm gonna pick this up, I'm gonna make it into a little ball, or not a little ball, I'm gonna make it into a ball, and then I'm gonna drop it in the middle of my Dutch oven, and it's gonna cook for about 30 minutes with the lid on.
Yep.
And then, whoop, right in there. I'm gonna cook for about 30 minutes with the lid on, and then we're gonna take the lid off, and it's gonna cook for another 15 minutes. And that's the whole thing. So it's been 30 minutes, pop the lid off,
Ooh.
push back in, and give it another 15 minutes. Okay, so now it's been 15 more minutes. I'm going to take it out. That is a beautiful loaf of bread. I'm gonna use a wooden spoon to kind of pop it out, and put it on a rack to cool. And then it is ready to go. We're just let it sit for a minute and then cut it, eat it, serve it.
Your heart